Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. Dodge is very proud about this Challenger. You're going to notice in the front the Dodge emblem in chrome lettering spread out along the front edge there, the bright white racing stripe along the back, the Challenger emblem again in chrome and script, and the SRT on black on the left-hand side of the grille there. The Black Ghost is a blacked out car with just the right amount of chrome to show that it means business. You're going to get things like the fuel door, hood pins, badging on the front, the rear, the sides, and chrome trim inside and around the outside of the vehicle that are really going to give it a nice touch of class and show that power off. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. The SRT racing seats are wrapped in black Laguna leather with white cross stitching and suede inserts. That's going to allow the bolsters as well as that suede to help keep the driver and any of their occupants firmly planted in that seat as they go around turns and accelerate with the amount of G's that this vehicle can pull. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.